I'm going to show you my favorite PVC cutting tool. It's made by Milwaukee. It's an electric tool. Most people are probably accustomed to these manual PVC cutters that they work, but if you're working with PVC a lot, it's a good thing to invest in something like this. You won't wear your arms out near as badly, especially if you're doing a job that involves thousands of cuts. So this is the tool itself. You use the M12 battery. You can use it left-handed or right-handed. It's got the safety button right here on both sides. So if you're left-handed, you can push it. If you're right-handed, you can push it. You can reverse directions of the blade movement, but in a nutshell, it just makes it super quick and easy to cut PVC pipe with this tool. This button right here releases the blade. Pushing the safety and the trigger lowers the blade, and then to pop it back up, push that button. And you can, I'll reverse, there you go. You can reverse the blade and pull it up. Sometimes it gets stuck, but not too often for me. But anyway, this blade right here is easy to take out with that by releasing that nut right there, and it comes with an Allen wrench, so you always have a tool with you. And the blade doesn't cost too much to replace, and I replace it about once a year or so. But I'm going to show you a few of the materials I frequently cut with this pipe. Schedule 80 PVC. It cuts it nice and quick. Thick hoses. Schedule 40 PVC. PEX tubing. Vinyl tubing, rubber hose, I'm going to put a link in the video description for anyone interested in buying this tool. You can buy it with or without batteries, just depending on what you want to get. But it's the best tool I've ever bought.